Welcome back to Herbal Remedy 247. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of food synergy, how combining certain foods can unlock incredible nutritional benefits. Stick around, because these pairings will take your meals to the next level. First up, tomatoes and olive oil. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. But did you know that pairing them with healthy fats like olive oil increases lycopene absorption? That means a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over your tomatoes can supercharge their benefits for your heart and skin. Next, let's talk about turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, an anti-inflammatory compound. The problem? Our bodies struggle to absorb it. But add a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, and absorption skyrockets by up to 2,000%. Perfect for reducing inflammation and boosting immunity. Spinach is rich in iron, but it's the non-heme kind, which isn't absorbed as easily. That's where vitamin C comes in. Pairing spinach with citrus fruits like oranges or lemon juice enhances iron absorption, keeping your energy levels up and fighting fatigue. Beans and rice, such a classic combo, but did you know they form a complete protein? Separately, they contain different amino acids, but together, they provide all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. A delicious and affordable way to get high-quality protein. Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, great for gut health. But to feed those good bacteria, you need prebiotics, found in fiber-rich foods like berries. This duo supports digestion, boosts immunity, and tastes amazing. And there you have it, 5 powerful food pairings that unlock maximum nutrition. Try them in your meals and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips. See you next time.